guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 2. I filmed nothing today, so you're getting a debrief. You're getting a debrief of how my day went. I finished this book, I read it, and I started it, and I finished it. I read 20 pages yesterday. I loved it. I totally get the hype. I totally get it. I totally get the hype. I loved the last page as well. Like, I think that was a really good. I mean, this isn't a spoiler, but like people who've read it will get it. I think the fact that Trevor was in Barbados, like, it just, and I think how the story ended fit everyone's characters really well. This is what I was using with my bookmark. This is my favourite photo at the moment. Also, I'm obsessed with these biscuits. The dark chocolate gingers. The Borders ones are the best. Like, I've been sitting in my room for a week and it's still yummy. So, car rammed into the back of our car and we were going round and round about. Well, basically we were at the traffic lights and the lights have gone green and my dad had an 8 cubes just stuck in the car and this car just like, we were like, we were like, fuck, what the fuck? They dented the car and they scratched it up and stuff. It was a bit of a like slam. And there were these 2 teenage boys, such arseholes. Anyway, so they're also so ill. Coming down with another cold. My 5th one of the year. This is the book that I'm going to read now. And I'm currently obsessed with this. The Itsu cucumber mint zen water. It's so yummy. Anyway, today has been a boring. I was just working. I've been ill. I had sushi for lunch today, that was yummy. I mean, a car rammed into us and I finished the whole book. So this was book number 46 of the year. And so to reach my goal of 50 books, I have to read 4 more books. I think that's quite doable. And then I might do a video, it's like, these are the 50 books I read, this is me rating them all. I should rank them all. I'm gonna rank them all. I think that'd be so fun. I'll give book recommendations. So just, I read, in case you're wondering, I read. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. So, happy Vlogmas day 2.